Hey guys, so it is like a minute before 8 a.m. and I'm supposed to leave out of here in 15 minutes. I don't know exactly what makeup look I'm going to do today, and I'm very obviously like wasting time right now, not progressing in my routine. That was very graceful. Now, as I've mentioned already in past videos, I do my skincare routine offline because I don't have time. So now I'm going to speed through trying to get this makeup done in 10 minutes. Can I do it? We'll find out. So if I'm going really fast, I don't usually do one eye at a time. I'm moving quickly and I should be able to get both done before my shadow base dries. I've been using like one or two particular like color palettes throughout the week. So that way I don't have to put a lot of thought and effort into thinking right now while I'm trying to figure out my situation, you know? So something that no matter what I'm wearing, I feel like I can grab like product that'll work without putting too much thought into it. Okay. I'm going to be using this very pigmented like burgundy color because I have little bits of this color in my dress. I don't know if I'm gonna do like a mod. I'm so annoyed. I fucking hate getting dressed and going outside. There's so many casualties involved. My poor eyeballs. Now my fucking eye hurts. And I'll probably have to put in more eye drops. Why do you think I have these like on deck? Because I'm constantly ruining my eyes. Poor things. They take so much abuse. Anyways, what I started to say was I didn't know if, oh god, I'm hungry. I want to do like a mono color on my like lid, or if I want to try and like make it like a gradient or something. And like by monocolor, I don't really mean like there would only be one color, but it would only appear to be the same like color family. So like a shimmery maroon and like a deeper maroon versus a gold to maroon where you can see an obvious like real deal transition. So right now I'm taking my darker maroon and I am applying it to the edges, and I'm going to bring it into the crease. Well, above my crease. And now I'm going to go into the crease as well. So there. That was not a misspeak. Entirely. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Can't believe I'm actually trying to talk while doing this. This is like mostly like the problem, but not the only part of the problem. I would like hurt myself no matter what, because that is what I do. Clumsy as fuck. And I know like this technique is like super like not the best. And that's like why my makeup like always looks stupid, but you know, like I said, it's like work and like nobody knows this. I'm not really looking for perfection at the moment, though I know that folks online clock people hella quick. Oh, look at this brush. It's so damaged from like improper treatment. I think I need like better like color like in the front. So I guess I won't be doing like a mono look. I think I'm gonna go back in with a lighter color I used early on and just apply it on the inside of my eyes, and that gives it a slight gradient of that gives it a slight gradient effect. Wait, and that does match actually, so that works. Maybe I should do like a little of a similar color, but not exactly the same color, like on the lower lid. Ew, that's good enough. All I can think about is like how hungry I am, because I'm hella hungry. I'm also like really ashy. It's really unfortunate. So that's what I look like with this concealer. It's almost done too, so I guess that kind of makes me feel good, like I've used up this like whole thing.
Hey guys, I want to tell you to check out my newest video on my podcast channel, Pink Theory. Post new videos once a week on Thursday. We talk about a lot of cool stuff, which I can't wait to share with you. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for notifications, and pop on over to Pink Theory. And don't forget to rinse and repeat, because I'll catch you on the flip side.
Okay, so now before I always like, if I can, like if I don't have anything going on, I like to kind of like do a little like brow smear just to make sure it's not too greasy and all the hairs are like laid down appropriately, like the little bit of hair that I do have, and that helps the pencil apply really lightly. Not too bad. Like when I have too much product on my face and my brows are just like moisturized, aka greasy. I'm so hungry. The brows that come out really dark like right off the bat, and then I don't have a lot of options for like correcting. But this, it's building out really nicely. I can correct if needed, and I think it's a good base for like the powder I'm going to apply next. Okay. What is happening? Like, I don't get it. Like, I can't ever fucking pick up anything I need. It's so annoying. My fish tank makes so much noise. It's so stupid. But my fish is so happy, so there's that. I just want him to be happy and live his best life. Even if that fish tank is like ruining my life, I really gotta get going. Every morning the goal is to leave early, and I fail at that like every day for like the last like couple months. And it's because this last situation I was in just like ruined me. I used to get up early, go to work early, leave early. It was so great. I got so many things done. I went to the gym. Like, never happens anymore. None of it. Can't do anything for myself these days. So annoying. It's like I'm not that person, but here I am being that person, late, needing help, like, ugh. I like to like do stuff like this just to see if the peaks and things appear to be even enough, and they do. I mean, it's good enough. I have to get going. This drawer is so annoying. I have to fight with it every fucking morning. I don't get it. Like, what the hell? That takes up easily like a minute and a half of my like morning every day, fighting with this one drawer of this new organizer. Should fucking take it back. But I have to fight with like Amazon about my return because they're haters and they always like give me a hard time about my returns, but they never give me a hard time about my purchases. I basically buy everything from Amazon. Like, I don't like going into stores anymore. They're okay taking my money, but they're not okay giving it back. Which, I mean, like, I get why. Who wants to do that? But you shouldn't sell shitty products. And if you have people on your site selling shitty products, then you gotta deal with that, bro. You gotta deal with that. Bezos, you're hella rich because of, like, customers like me who don't like to engage in general, like, nonsense of, like, being outside with other people around. And I'm not an introvert, not generally speaking. I just covered my mouth when I said that. Like, not generally speaking, but I do hate the shopping experience. Not because although trying on clothes is definitely, like, a thing. I don't care for that. It takes so long. But being outside with people is what the problem is when it comes to shopping. Everyone is so annoying. They're always, like, in the way, leaving their carts all around, like, making a mess at the store. Like, clothes are hanging off, like, the rack. The dressing rooms are, like, messed up. Never enough people working there to help you. All that. It's, like, annoying. Okay. So, lashes. And then we're gonna be done because we gotta go. Curling my lashes always really hurts. It's like my lashes aren't very long, and so I have, like, to make a decision to, like, get, like, way up close to my, like, lash line where I'm, like, applying pressure to, like, my eyelid somehow, or, like, be hella far away and, like, curl just, like, the very, like, tip of my eyelashes, which I think is kind of stupid. That's, like, not what like, this is not what this is meant for. It's just, like, get up in there. Ooh, should I do, like, a pink mascara? No, I shouldn't have done a pink mascara. I just wanted to use my mascara that I bought that is slowly drying out because I never use it. But that's not for this look, so back to black. That's gonna have to do. Honey. No, I look stupid, but I'm wearing glasses. No one's gonna see. Oh. Alright, so this is, like, definitely, like, a half face. Maybe a quarter face. None of this is done. Hella scarred up. Whatever. So I sneezed, and look at that. This is what I'm talking about. This is, like, why I'm so angry, like, all the time about this process. I always fuck it up. I'm driving like crazy. Just trying to move my, like, my seat around, and I just moved my, like, seat up so that way I sat, like, with better posture for this video. But now I'm driving cray-cray because it's uncomfortable. My hair is old. I have braids, and so every night I wrap it, and then, of course, like, I sleep too hard, so it, like, comes off. And then in the morning I have to, like, gel it down, like, hardcore. And so then I gotta, like, put some stuff on it so that way it lays flat. Like so. Oh, I need to take this shit out though. Like, it's, like, itching. It's not even been a full 2 weeks, but this is, like, this is the life. A bobby pin for here, which I don't have. Can't be bothered. All right, well, come around the corner, make sure nobody's, like, standing here listening to me. So I never get to end these things correctly. And today is not going to be any different. So catch you guys later. Bye.
Yay, we recorded some shit.